Hello guys, I'm Paras the Options Guy and welcome back to today's video. And if we see markets opening with a gap up because of the Fed's 50 basis point rate cut going up, but then seeing a little bit of a profit booking and then throughout the day being volatile and sort of consolidating also. Same thing with Nifty also. Nifty opened with a gap up, then started to move down and then consolidated. And as I had said in my weekly analysis video that in the first half of the week we will stay bullish on the market. And if you see Bank Nifty did continue to stay bullish in the first half of the week, and I said that in the second half of the week is where we will think about taking any sort of a bearish position. But now the data is telling us that something is not lining up. Something, which should have happened, that there should have been a profit booking, is not lining up as of now. Why is that? Is because of these two strikes that I've selected out of the option chain, which were sort of having a bit of an anomaly, okay, which were showing a bit of a unusual OI increase, and one of them is 54,000 PE in the monthly option chain of Bank Nifty. If I open the monthly next month option chain, not this month's option chain, if you see over here 54,000 P seeing a meteoric rise over here, if you see. And that is the reason why it is very interesting, because if you see in the last 40 minutes the OI of 54,000 P has gone from 60,000 all the way up to 1,90,000, almost 2 lakh. Okay, so this is indicating that somebody is taking a major position in Bank Nifty, expecting that Bank Nifty will go up till 54,000 at least. And so this is the data point which is very interesting. And another one is Nifty's over here. If you see in Nifty today at the morning, in the morning, somebody started shorting 25,700 P, and the OI went from 53,000 in the morning in this first candle, okay, over here, somewhere near 60,000, all the way up till 8,40,000. Okay, so this is one of those things which is very, very interesting and something that should be not ignored over here. So talking about Bank Nifty also, if you see, OI has increased a lot, and you will definitely say that yes, 54,000 CEOI has also increased 11.3 lakh, this that. This is because somebody was exiting their 53,000 CE short positions. If you see throughout the day, 53,000 CE short position has seen 53,000 CEOI has seen an unwinding. That means somebody is exiting 53,000 CE. That means they are expecting the price of 53,000 CE to go up in the coming few days. Okay, and that is when does a call options price rise? When the market starts to move up, right? And so these guys who shorted the 53,000 CE are exiting their call option, because of which you see throughout the day this option saw short covering in it. Okay, and all of that OI has now shifted to 54,000 C, because if you see throughout the day this option saw an increase in OI. That means somebody who had big positions at 53,000 C has now shifted them to 54,000 C. So it looks like the market is getting, at least Bank Nifty is getting ready for another 1,000 points of move on the upside. So that is for Bank Nifty, and I hope you guys understand how interesting these data points are. Okay, and talking about Nifty on the monthly, on a monthly basis, if you see over here also, very good put short throughout the option chain over here. All strikes seeing very, very good put shorts. Okay, all the way up till basically out of the money also, but basically all strikes seeing very good put shorts also. But one thing that is very interesting is that all the call options have also seen a good increment in their OI throughout any sort of call option that you take over here. 25,000 C, if you see throughout the day the OI kept rising, and another thing is 25,400 C throughout the day OI kept rising, right? And then also 25,700, right? If we see, just a second, yes, throughout the day the OI just kept rising. Okay, and this is what the interesting thing is, that Nifty's option chain is also bullish, but not as bullish as compared to Bank Nifty's. Okay, and if you see also over here, if you see from here, in the midpoint of the day 25,900 C also saw good amount of OI coming into it. Okay, and 26,000 C also, if you see throughout the day seeing very good OI increments. Okay, so both Nifty and Bank Nifty's option chain are bullish, but Bank Nifty is the one which is the most interesting. And Bank Nifty's option chain is indicating that Bank Nifty will now go up till 54,000 in the coming days. So as of now, it is better to not take a short position in the market. It is better to rather go with the trend and let the markets move up. Okay, as high as the markets can go, we just need to keep on continue moving with the markets, and markets have given us a good opportunity over here. So tomorrow if you open flat, okay, tomorrow if you open flat and go below 52,900, okay, and then any sort of positive price action that you see in this lower area, maybe after if Bank Nifty breaks today's low, and then if Bank Nifty is starting to make positive price action, this will be a very good place to take a long position. 52,800 over here, you guys can go ahead and take a long position. Your target will first of all be 53,100. That will be a small target, but after that you can easily keep a target of 53,300 also on the upside. But if the market continues to move from here, 53,500 will also not be a very big deal for Bank Nifty to achieve tomorrow. Okay, that is one thing. Now another thing is that if we open with a gap down also, let's say somewhere near 52,900 and all these levels, 900, 850, all these levels, 800 also, even then we will not take a short position in the market, because this area at lower levels is also a very good support zone. So if let's say we open somewhere near 50 to 800 and break it, don't take a short position. Rather, thinking about taking a long position near 52,600 is also a very good idea. And now 52,600 to 500 will act as a very good support which you can use to take a long position from lower levels. So that is for Bank Nifty if you open with a gap down, or if you open with a gap down, or we open flat. Now if we open with a gap up, let's say somewhere near 53,200, 53,300 and all these levels, then what we need is just one small dip near 53,150 to 53,050. In this 100-point range, wherever you see that the market has started to make positive price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade from here also. You can also wait for the markets to completely fill the gap, and then you can take a bullish trade. Either ways, taking a long position at dips will be the best idea, and it looks like this time Bank Nifty can really give this 1,000-point move very fast. And talking about Nifty now, because Nifty is also at a pretty interesting place. Now as I said that Nifty's option chain is also indicating pretty good bullishness, but it is not as high as Bank Nifty is. Okay, so what you can do in Nifty is also going to be pretty simple. Now the most interesting place will be 25,520 to 25,480. This zone will act as a resistance. So if Nifty can sustain above this zone and then start to move up, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade in from here also. Once we go above 25,520 and start to make a positive price action, your first target will be 25,600. I'm sorry, your first target will be 25,600, but after that you can keep your target easily till 25,700 also, no problem in that. Okay, so as I said that if you want to take a long position, take it in Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty is looking much better as compared to Nifty. And Nifty at lower levels, what we will do is we will not take a short position until unless Nifty sustains below 25,280. Once we start sustaining below 25,280 and start to make negative price action below this level, that is when we guys will go ahead and take a short position in the market, and then our target will be 25,150 on the downside. Don't keep a very big target on the downside as of now. Once we get proper price action, once we get a proper confirmation that yes, the market trend has reversed and now the market is going negative, that is when we will go ahead and take a short position in the market. But as of now, going bearish, aggressively bearish is not something that is recommended. Definitely, given the fact that the option chain is suggesting pretty good bullishness, especially for Bank Nifty. Okay, what might happen in Nifty tomorrow also is that Nifty might break the day's low and then show a very fast recovery. Okay, so what Nifty might do is that Nifty might open flat over here, break the day's low, and then again come back above the day's low, today's low over here. Okay, and then come back above today's low. If that happens, and if market starts to make some sort of positive price action, you guys can go ahead and take a long position over here also. That will also be a very good area criteria to take a long position. Okay, as I said, taking a short position will only be below 25,280, and only take a short position in Nifty, not Bank Nifty, because as of now Nifty is a little bit weaker as compared to Bank Nifty. Okay, at higher levels, as I said, about 25,520, once we start to make a higher high pattern, you guys can go ahead and take a long position. If we open flat, right, then do nothing until unless, as I said, either we break yesterday's low and then come back above it, or if we go about 25,520, until then please do not do anything which is going to harm you in for no reason. Okay, if you take a long trade at the opening itself and then market gets volatile, you hit your stop loss and then the market moves up, we don't want that to happen. Okay, so I hope you guys understood what you have to do in Nifty also. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you very much for watching. I did say that yes, in the second half of the week we will definitely think about taking a short position, but as of now the data is not indicating that we have to take a short position, so we will not go against what the market is telling us to do. Once the data somehow changes and once we see bearishness, that is when we will definitely think about taking a selling position in the market. But as of now, taking a buying on dip stance will be the best thing to do, at least until Bank Nifty reaches 54,000 and Nifty reaches 25,800. So yeah, that was it for today, and thank you very much for watching till the end. I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye.